Hello and welcome. It's Bashir Fadl with lovelycourse.com as we continue our journey into project management. In this session, we're going to focus on project plan sample documents. Sample documents. Again, consistency is very important. People are used to seeing things a certain way that's simple. You could get a new team member that does it differently and it throws everything off. So usually we want to have a template of what we do. So there's a project plan sample document. Again, a project plan, think about it, is a detailed proposal for achieving the objectives and goals of our project. It should detail the what, when, how, and by whom of any project, and it's also a key resource to successfully managing our work. So project plan templates can vary depending on what you're trying to achieve, but there are many examples available for free or professional bodies for that documentation. So on a higher level, our project plan should have, number one, a task. What are the tasks that we have in that project? Number two, a description of that task. Number three, who is that task assigned to? Who's going to be working on it? Is it a person? Is it a team? Is it multiple team members? Number four, are there any dependencies on that task? We can't do number three until we finish number five or number two, whatever the task is. But we need to identify what the prerequisites are. Number six, what is the start date? What is the end date? And what's the actual date? Or what's the duration for that? This is supposed to take 3 days, or this is supposed to start on Monday the 1st and be done on Wednesday the 3rd, for instance. After that is the priority. So if we have 5 items to do, which ones are the higher priorities? Which ones are the medium? Which one are the lower priorities? So we definitely need to make sure we have all of our high priorities done. So those are examples of items that are usually found in a project plan. Independent of the platform that you use. Some people would use something such as Jira, very commonly used. Some people use the Microsoft Project Plan. Some people will use something as simple as Excel, and they've mastered it and have powerful results out of it. Whatever platform you have, you want to make sure that you're capturing those main pieces. Again, each platform has its own additional features. Some of the things such as Jira, for example, and SharePoint or Microsoft Project that has Microsoft Teams, for example, that has Planner in it, is you can have automated email notifications. So when you assign a task to someone, it automatically sends an email to them. When they're running behind on schedule or overdue on a task, it sends an email immediately to them, and so on and so forth. So there's different features for the different tools that we have available to us. So simply what we need to do to complete our course is log in into lovelycourse.com, scroll down to project management, log into your course. In your course, we're going to go down to project plan sample document. Once you log it into there, you're going to find out that you have sample documents that you can actually download. And then once you study it, you're going to find there's different templates and different samples that people have adopted using different platforms to orient ourselves with it. Once you're done in the same course itself, project management, you can scroll towards the end and you're going to find practice questions for the certification exam. The nice thing about it, it's auto-graded, which means all you have to do is go in and take the question. If you get the right answer, it tells you got the right answer. Hopefully you don't get anything wrong, but if you get the wrong answer, it will tell you what the right answer is. And then you can retake it as many times as you need until you're ready for the certification exam. And finally, remember that we also have on lovelycourse.com an events page, where you can just go to lovelycourse.com/events, and you'll be able to join any of the events that we have, which are absolutely free, or join to ask any questions that you have. We look forward to seeing you in the next section. Thank you so much.